The heat. Death of the universe. Will the universe eventually fade away? Hello everyone, today we will explore one of the greatest, yet somewhat grim theories about the death of the universe, also known as the heat death. This may sound like something out of science fiction, but in reality it's a very plausible theory in physics and astronomy that could occur in a distant future. So what is heat death? Simply put, it's the day when the universe will no longer sustain life. There will be no light, and everything will fall into a cold, lifeless state. When this happens, no physical activity will be able to take place anymore. No stars, no planets, and of course, no us. How can this happen? Let's explore through some prominent scientific theories. Thermodynamics, the law of entropy. To understand heat death better, we need to look into an important concept in physics: entropy. The second law of thermodynamics states that entropy or disorder in a closed system will always increase over time. This means that everything will gradually become more chaotic and lose order until nothing can happen anymore. Imagine you have a cup of hot water. If you leave it outside in a cold environment, the water will gradually cool down until it reaches the same temperature as the surrounding environment. At that point, the water can no longer do anything. Similarly, our universe will gradually lose energy until no more changes can happen. All matter will disperse, and the universe will reach a state of complete equilibrium. No energy to do anything, no life. The expansion of the universe. When everything moves further apart. What's surprising is that our universe isn't static, it's expanding. Scientists have discovered that galaxies are moving away from each other at an accelerating rate through observations from the Hubble Space Telescope and other research tools. This means the universe is not a fixed space, but one that is expanding, growing larger, creating distance between galaxies, stars, and everything else around us. As the universe continues to expand, galaxies and stars will become farther apart, unreachable. In fact, if this expansion continues, galaxies will no longer be able to see each other, and we will lose the ability to interact with distant stars. Stars from twinkling lights to extinction. One of the key factors contributing to the universe's eventual death is the end of stars. Our own star, the Sun, won't burn forever. Every star has a lifetime, and our Sun is no exception. In about 5 billion years, once the Sun has exhausted its fuel hydrogen, it will no longer have enough energy to sustain nuclear fusion. At that point, the Sun will become a red giant, expanding and melting the planets in our solar system, including Earth. Afterward, it will shrink down to a white dwarf and ultimately become nothing but a faint non-luminous mass. As these large stars like the Sun burn out, no new stars will be formed. This leads to a universe without light, heat, and of course life. Black holes. The vacuum cleaners of the universe. In addition to stars, black holes also play a significant role in the story of the universe's demise. Despite being incredibly powerful and capable of sucking up all matter around them, even black holes can't escape their eventual death. According to the theory of Hawking radiation, black holes will gradually evaporate, and when this happens, they will cease to exist. In other words, even black holes cannot save the universe when it reaches its end. So all of these massive objects, such as stars, planets, and black holes, will slowly disappear, and the universe will become a completely empty, cold void. The end of the universe, when everything falls silent. So ultimately, when the stars have burned out, galaxies no longer see each other, and even black holes evaporate, what will be left of the universe? The answer is a vast, cold, empty space without any light or life. No energy to create change or activity. Everything will simply remain in eternal silence. And at that point, we won't even be here to witness it. Don't worry, we've got plenty of time. Although this sounds terrifying, there's no need to worry too much. All of what we're seeing will not happen for millions of years. We still have plenty of time to explore, learn and experience the wonders of the universe. And even though the universe may one day fade away, for now it remains vibrant and miraculous. and we can still enjoy these moments. So while our universe may not exist forever for now, we are part of a grand journey. Let's cherish and continue exploring, for the universe's mysteries still have so much to offer us.